Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Volkswagen Transporter T5 owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Volkswagen Transporter T5 models from 2003 to 2009. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Volkswagen Transporter T5 2003 to 2009 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Volkswagen DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered fuse-related issues in your Volkswagen Transporter T5? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.